காட்டுறாங்க பாருங்க. Good morning guys, it's Dubai time, 8:30 a.m. in the morning, and if you guys can see, the sun is shining brightly, and we are flying with United Arab Emirates. The flight is super awesome, I gotta be honest. And since it was a transit flight, right now we are at the Dubai airport and we are going to our first location, London. It's a 7 hours journey. This is the United UAE Airlines lunch set. I didn't take the breakfast because I was sleepy. So, and this is, I think, special for Christmas. They have this like kaban. This is actually their mineral water, and then they have oats and honey bar. This is their utensils. This is roasted turkey, I think mashed potato, green peas, and then they have cheese. Yeah. That is cheese. And then they also have this. What is this? It's a cracker. And they give this every time they serve you with a meal. Also, they give you, this is chocolate milk. Oh, it's chocolate, and this is, this is butter, and they have Christmas cake, and I stole my husband's one. And this is vegetables, which I don't think I'm gonna eat, and we have red wine. Yay! So yeah, that's the whole package, and they have actually like 2 sets which you can choose, like whether you want these or beef or whatever. They always have choice.